Hi, just a quick word on mixing browns. Oh, about a year or two ago, I painted this pintail using bright, vibrant colors to mix my own browns. I used dioxazine violet and cadmium yellow. With black and white, that's the only thing I used to paint this entire bird. The head of this pintail came out very green. And for that reason, I don't recommend mixing your browns from vibrant colors such as blue and orange or yellow and violet. Let me show you another pintail head I did after that, where I just used standard earth colors. I think that it came out a lot better. Not only that, but the colors used to paint this were significantly cheaper. I recommend sticking with your earth colors and modifying them rather than trying to create earth colors from very expensive tube paints.